Obviously, we're not to the very, very bottom yet, but we're at the bottom. That is a very long black diamond. My arm from holding the camera and just making those turns, trying to control speed, obviously, because you can't just straight S-turn down it. You'll start sending it, but woo! And obviously, snow is, it actually wasn't terrible, but it wasn't not the best snow ever. That was nuts. See what the boys have to say. Oh! Big Mountain Coach!
Oh, it's good.
How was that, dog?
Steep.
Yeah, no, that's Big Mountain.
That was Big Mountain.
Longest block in North America, dog.
Oh, that was a workout.
Yeah, dude, that was a great workout.
I guess you could start your backcountry day with going down this and then skinning up.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
That's what that is.
Big Mountain Cody.
Big Mountain Cody.
From Snow Creek to that. That's gonna be like our life saying.
Just like Snow Creek. 3/4 of the way down, there was some really good snow.
Dude, was anyone else like making their own POW?
Oh yeah.
Like you get your slough going and you just ride it?
Yeah.
That was sick.
It was good, man. The snow was way better than I thought it would be.